things are underway. Blue Alliance tries to score one. Red Alliance gets one in there. Two missed dunks. But both of them managed to get up on the ramp with 15 seconds remaining. Red Alliance also 44-33 managed to put one in with their very purple machine there with 5 seconds left, and they managed to get a couple of wheels up on there as well with time expiring in the autonomous period. Referees are going to go ahead and mark this up. We're going to take a quick look and make sure that no one is grinding gears against each other as Mr. Miles there removes 44-33 from the Blue Alliance's robot. Don't want any entanglements. They may be made out of machine, made out of metal, but it doesn't mean they don't have feelings. Alrighty, the robots are moved, and it looks like things are getting all set so that they do not interfere with each other. Alright, our referees look ready as Miles drops his pen as our field set. Teams, pick up your controllers for the tele-op period. Alrighty, let's get this round going in 3, 2, 1, go! And tele-op period is underway. The robots all unfolding to get their master contraptions to pick up these blocks. Team 72-65 trying to score a couple while 44-33 is doing the same. 1-2 in to both alliances. This is going to be a really close and high-scoring match, I have a feeling. 43-18 scores another couple of theirs. 54-21, 1-2-3 spits out of the balls in their machine. 44-33 is doing the same, scoring going back and forth, back and forth. Let's see if they're able to get this, make sure that they stay balanced here. 43-18 is trying to rebalance their pendulum. 17 seconds left. That slam dunk a little bit aggressive as it goes all the way to the ramp. 44-33 trying to get it in there, but just misses. 72-65 has a couple in there, while 54-21 scores some more on their side. Let's see if they're able to slam dunk this one in. Defense being played on both sides with 55 seconds remaining in the match. Oh, just misses. 72-65, but 44-33 scores a couple more. 43-18 looks like they're teetering on something. Let's see if they can score those. 54-21 just keeps piling more and more of those blocks into that end goal there. Red Line scores a couple more there. 1, 2, 3 for 44-33. With 30 seconds remaining, we've now hit the end game. 72-65 trying to get to the corner, 44-33 trying to get to theirs. Let's see if they're able to raise these flags. Red goes up, 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 and 43-18 is now hanging up off the ground with 15 seconds remaining. Gear grinders looking, it sounds like they're grinding some gears there. That's 54-21 is trying to hang with 5 seconds remaining. 12 seconds left. 44-33 is going to try to score